it yet.
Skid, can you hear me?
You talking to me?
Plot a course for Sector Alpha 5.
Right on.
Helga!
Sprechen?
Get the positronic matrix system up and running.
I'll turn you into a pretzel if you tell me to do that again.
Science officer.
Now, RoboShack. If I can't fix it, it ain't broke.
Run a primary diagnostic on the computer core.
I must object in the strongest possible terms.
Mr. Robot Dude.
Aye, sir.
Get me a crayon. It's time to play Connect the Dots.
Aye, aye, sir.
Helga. I want that report on my desk by 0800.
Mine!
Captain,
Yes?
do you think I'll look like age 26?
Of course.
What's going on?
It's the location of the nearest Galaxy Burger. Pronto!
Not gonna happen, dude.
Hey, Lost Boy! Are you ready to try my new fitness course?
I don't think so.
Trooper!
Aye, sir. Roger.
Yeah, old buddy.
Al here.
Chinese fire drill. Let's go. Chop chop.
Yeah, when I get a minute.
Skid.
Sorry, I'm busy.
You're on second watch tonight.
Focus.
Mr. Robot Dude.
Aye, sir.
Call my mother and tell her that I finally got a real job.
Negative.
Training Officer Helga.
I'm backing! What is it?
Initiate Plan 9.
Ho, ho, ho. How about we wrestle first? You win and I'll do it!
Hello, Mr. Q, dude.
Spit out!
Wanna check out my skydiving video? It's pretty sweet.
Yes, absolutely.
Hey, Flacker.
You talking to me?
Are we there yet?
No?
Hey, Al!
Al's RoboShack. If I can't fix it, it ain't broke.
Somebody drew a rather unflattering picture of me on the bathroom wall. Look into it.
No problem.
Scrap heap!
Aye, sir.
Are there no plus-size keyboards? These beauty buttons are too small for my fabulous fingers.
Yes, sir.
Helga. Give me a sensor readout on that UFO.
I'll turn you into a pretzel if you tell me to do that again.
Yo, Skid Dude. 36 Moon Lane in Marcadia. Sign the card. Your devoted slave, Porky.
Right on. Yo, Al,
Make it quick, I'm busy.
are we there yet?
Ask me again later.
Training Officer Helga.
Sprechen?
Meteor shower inbound. Redirect power to 4 deflector screens.
Nein!
Mr. Robot Dude,
Aye, sir.
reverse the polarity on the thingy and redivert power to something and give me some coffee on the double.
Aye, aye, sir.
Big Al.
Al's RoboShack. If I can't fix it, it ain't broke.
Engage the impulse drive.
I must object in the strongest possible terms.
Pardon me, Helga. We've got a bug on the windshield. Get out there and scrape it off.
Ho, ho, ho! How about we wrestle first? You win and I'll do it.
Trooper,
Aye, sir.
get me a system check on 3.
Roger. Captain Mark,
Yes.
can I go to the bathroom?
No. How many times do I need to tell you?
Sweetie, I mean, Helga,
Ja?
you seen that monkey around here? He took off with my goggles.
Listen up, you loudball. The answer is no.
That guy.
Al here.
Tell me the truth. Do I look fat in this?
Yeah, when I get a minute.
Into McMarks.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Plot a course for Sector Alpha 5.
Not gonna happen, dude. Hey, Tinhead.
Aye, sir.
Dude, do you know what's going on with all these blinking lights?
Yes, sir. Captain Mark,
What up?
can you get me Agent Clank's autograph?
Yes, absolutely.
Helga!
Sprechen?
Wanna check out my skydiving video? It's pretty sweet.
What are you talking about?
Mr. McMarks,
You talking to me?
get the positronic matrix system up and running.
Bogus.
Captain Sasha,
Sasha here.
are we there yet?
Negative.
Scrap heap!
Aye, sir.
Are you ready to try my new fitness course?
Yes, sir.
Yo, Al,
Make it quick, I'm busy.
are we there yet?
I'm afraid not. Sweetie, I mean,
crush you like an insect if you keep bothering me.